So today I'm reviewing these Jelly Belly pens. This name is so much fun, just to say it and just to read it. And there are 5 different colors in the pack. They're all retractable pens, right? Medium size, 0.7 millimeters, right? Quick drying ink. We have black, purple, red, green, and blue. And it even came with stickers. Super cool. And they all write so beautifully. Smooth. So there you have it, a sample of all different colors. Really fun to write with. I'm enjoying writing with them, and they're so smooth and you just glide over the paper just the way I like it. Absolutely fabulous.